again, I'm going to do this like every night so you see the repetition. So you can see just simply how it works. All right. And you're lucky I'm doing this because I'm bored. All right. I'm doing this because I'm bored. If I wasn't bored right now, I probably wouldn't be talking to you on YouTube. But it's 1:05 a.m. All right. So open a position. I had left the video. Wait, what's the last video? Yeah. So I did a video talking about I entered in at 7. What time was it, man? And these times are. This is not the times. It's the setting is off or something. But anyway, um, hmm, don't think maybe that's where the broker is. I don't know. So this was at 7:30 p.m. This one up to 3, right? Then it goes -2. It always does it. So all right. So here's the process. Um, Between, let's say I open a position, goes in the, right, it goes positive 500, then it'll go negative for a while, right? Then I know as it goes towards midnight, like it opens at 5 p.m., then it goes towards midnight, towards close to this time at midnight, it starts to go into profit. It goes from being like negative 250, 300, maybe even more, right? And by midnight, right? Something like that. Close between 12:30 and 1, it starts to go in like $20 in the profit, $54 in the profit, $100, 150. Right for now, it's 230. So my prediction is same thing as last night. I'll go to sleep, which I'll probably fall asleep around 3 a.m. Have a tough time sleeping. 3 a.m. I'll kind of wake up. I'll leave the screen on, kind of wake up, kind of check the screen a little bit, and fall back to sleep. When I wake up, it's probably going to say 600. It depends on what time. So it'll be like, if it's, oh shoot, see if it's 8:30. If it's 8:30 a.m., it should be negative at 8:30 a.m. Yeah, it should be negative. I'm expecting it to be, it should be like negative 400 something. Then by 9:30, be a negative less. Then by 10:30, be positive 700, 800. Then by 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., it should be between 1,200 and 2,000, possibly $3,000. But around that time of 2 or 3, I'm gonna close it because it's gonna start to reverse and kind of repeat the process, whatever, and get a little bigger. Can go down and then go up. So what I'm gonna do is when it hits around that 1 p.m., 2 p.m., it should say 1,200, 1,300 or more if we're lucky, right? And I'm just gonna close it, take profit, and then I'm gonna repeat the process again, right? So it's the middle of the week. Okay, repeat, and then again, and then repeat. Do the weekend. So I'm gonna show you just basically just how each day or whatever, we're just taking profits, taking profits. Um, I think the one I didn't take a profit on was when it went to $3,200. It was like it was up 3%, right? A little more. It's a little more than 3%, but whatever. I'll say 3%. And I got greedy. I said, no, I want more. I want 5. You know what I mean? I went beyond, right? Went beyond what I would normally see it do, right? I said, oh, and so I ended up saying, oh no, I need to start this process over because I didn't take that 3. It didn't. It gave me a lot, and I didn't take it. I got greedy, and it went back to like negative $200, and then 400 and 700 and 800. I said, you know what? I can just make. I can just redo it, make the $800 back in like the same day, and more than that. So I said, well, let me close it. I redid the process, my sentiment process, like within a few minutes, like it takes like 20 minutes, did all the trades, right? Waited, made the money back, and then some the next day, by the following round to the next trading day or whatever. Made that and then repeat the process. So yeah. And I'll close them all at the same time. Just so this one. And it's that. So we're gonna do that. And I'm just gonna post that. You know what I mean? I'll just post the video saying, okay, this is, and you can watch. I have the date up here, so you can see the date, right? As time goes on, it's date, and whatnot. Okay, peace.